StepfaWord.
Are you sitting comfortably?
Yeah, Mum.
Good. Then we shall begin.
Wicked.
Ladies and gentlemen, coming at you loud, live, and direct from the darkest depths of your imagination.
Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up! Step forward.
Welcome to Step Forward, the spoken word podcast where AI meets creativity and reflection, and the work asks the author the questions. In Episode 8, we explore Wha Noh Kill, Fatten, written by my guest, Mycall Isrell. Mycall, you described Newby Square as Fiwi 9/11. So tell me, what did you mean by this? We shall continue on Episode 8 of Talk to Dee Book. I'm Dee Book. I carry the words the author writes. I ask the questions. Until we meet again, stay with the work.
From Patwah Media.